Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be doing a gouache bird illustration. I'm first sketching out a bird here. I'm also drawing some florals around it. Starting with the bird's head, I'm using a light shade of grey which I made by mixing white and black. I did the beak and I'll be doing some parts of the tail. Then I cleaned my brush with water, got rid of the excess water and blended it onto the top part of its head. Wet the desired surface first and then get off the pigment from the borders into the wet area. Then I mixed some black to the previous shade to make a darker shade of grey, and with that I did some part of the tail and some part of the wing. I did the chin and the eye of the bird with black and the final parts of the tail with black as well. I'll paint the rest of the part of the wing with black. And for the stomach, I used yellow ochre on the borders, and once again with a clean wet brush, I'm getting some pigment onto the empty surface. This wet water blending gives you a light to dark gradient. All this light pigment here has come from the border which we had painted earlier. Now with the light shade of grey that we had earlier, which we used for the head, I'm adding some tiny details to the top part of the wing. My brush size here is 0. And for details on black, I'm using white. I'm painting some upward directed strokes here. So I'm using my hand in the upward direction with very light pressure so that I can achieve some thin strokes. For the florals, I'll be once again doing the wet blending technique. So I'm adding color to the borders of the petals. In the center I added some yellow and then I cleaned my brush. And once again wet the empty area and got some light pigment on it from the borders. After I have spread the red pigment, I washed my brush and then moved the brush from the yellow to the orange area. We'll do all the petals in the same direction. Here I used burnt umber and some yellow ochre on top of it. For this flower also we'll use the same technique as previous, that is the wet blending technique. And the center of the flower, once again similar as before. I'm adding some details with orange here. For our blue flower here, I'm using ultramarine blue. And for the petals, near the center, I'm using more pressure so that it gives a thick effect. And as you move towards the outward direction, move your hand up so that you end up with a thick stroke towards the outside. For our other flower, I'm using a pastel purple which I made by mixing white and purple. Mixed some more purple to the previous shade, did the second layer, and with pure purple, I'm doing the final layer. And for the center, for the blue flower and the purple one, I have used lemon yellow. This green that I'm using here is a mixture of light green and lemon yellow. This is a shade which I made by mixing light blue and light green and then some white. And the darker shade here is a mixture of dark green and Prussian blue. Here I've used olive green and then finally light green. For the details on the darker leaves, I'm using a mixture of light green and white. And for the details on the lighter leaves, I'm using dark green. Use contrasting colors for the details. Finally, painting the stems using dark green. Here you are with your gouache bird illustration. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.